Hey everyone, my name is Judah Krug, and I'm an undergraduate computer science student at Georgia Tech working in the Everyday Computing Lab to utilize in-home technology to better understand mild cognitive impairment, or MCI. This research is part of the Cognitive Empowerment Program, a research collaboration between Georgia Tech and Emory that consists of therapeutic interventions, a built environment that affects mood and cognition, human-centered technology that analyzes data from sensors, and innovation and research that engages people with MCI with students and researchers. Within the home tech portion of this initiative, our team is exploring a variety of data that we've been gathering from participating members' homes using a suite of sensors and devices that run in the background of those homes and don't require any sort of attention. Some of this data includes analyzing how MCI affects people's life spaces, how their medication adherence may affect their sleep patterns, and so on. One really cool benefit that comes from these sensors is that we can tell when stoves and appliances in the kitchen are left on for prolonged periods of time, and if we believe they're left unattended, our sensors can send a notification directly to the home's occupants that this may be the case so that they can intervene. Here you can see a close-up look of some of our sensors. The medication tracker in the top left, for instance, is very useful. Every time one of its little doors is opened or closed, our team gets a log of which door is used and the timestamp of its use. So, if a member is opening and closing the doors on the medication tracker consistently and on the right days, we can assume they are using the medication correctly and as intended. What we also learn is that if the pillbox is hardly used at all, then the member is likely behind on their meds. Another interesting device is the body weight scale. The information on the body weight scale is sent out to the members' therapeutic teams, which allow them to monitor the health and well-being of members without having to constantly check up on them. It's also a smart scale in that it can differentiate different users within the home, so it knows which resident is using the scale and whether or not that data is important to us. Now, we've collected a lot of data from the different homes already participating in the study, and have been working through COVID guidelines to increase the number of participating homes in a safe and considerate manner. We also have over 11 months of data from several hundred sensors and are working on ways to understand what we've learned so far. I've also included an image of what we call the Aware Home. It's a house just off Georgia Tech's campus where we do a lot of the testing of our sensors. And finally, if you're looking to get involved, please go to our website and contact one of our lab members.